Who are you asking me for?
I beg your pardon.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can I speak to Miss Aaron?
Yes. You're speaking to her?
Okay.
Where did you
This
say
is
you're
a pleasure.
calling me from?
So I'm calling you from Absa Bank.
And your name?
It's Brian Stanford.
Brian Stanford, okay.
Yes. So, Miss Hartman, 10 minutes ago, we did a suspicious transaction under your account.
Which
So,
account?
Miss Hart, it's your debit check account. So, Miss Hart,
Which check account?
It's your debit check account, ma'am. Your current account, ma'am.
From which bank?
It's Absa, ma'am.
I don't have an Absa bank account.
What's your recording? Why you are recording? You don't have an Absa account.
I don't have an Absa account.
Stop acting all smart, okay?
Excuse me?